Welcome to our channel, Stress Induced Left Eye Twitch. My name is Bo.
And I'm Jillian.
Pretty sure I've been in this outfit for the last like 7 videos.
I have to wear something different every time so I know which one I'm editing.
Just, you know, I have like 30 black tank tops.
Anyway, so we are doing a mystery box bag thing.
You might want, it looks like we just put together a thing of whatever. We did it. We went to a store in our town called the Imaginarium.
Yeah, it's like a really eclectic shop.
Very weird things. And they had a bunch of these when we first went.
Yeah.
When you went back there.
There's only one.
They had a bunch of options of like kids bags, all this different stuff.
Yeah, we have the kids bag here too. Kids, and this one was only $3. So it's a mystery bag and we have no idea what's inside this.
Pose! What if it takes that? I'll love it. All right, you ready?
Yeah, it's so loud.
So this was $10, and this was the only option she had left to pick from. So.
Yeah, there was literally nothing else.
But when we went, there were so many.
There was
so good.
themed bags. Would you guys want a tutorial on how to make that? I think that
when we went, it was like a Harry Potter theme. I saw a Simpsons theme.
Okay, so at this shop, there was like these mystery bags that were $10, and then if you went in, there was like all these themed ones. So some came in like Chinese takeout boxes, some came in like Yonkers clothing boxes.
It's like Yonkers on them?
No, but you know like the ones that you buy to like wrap clothes in?
Yes.
Anyway, so you could get all different themes, but I didn't get one.
I'm gonna reach my hand in. You wanna just go every other?
Wait, at this shop there's like everything. Like all sorts of like cult. Look.
No, it's like a plant.
It's a grow organic
That's
mint.
so cute. Add half a cup of water to
mint.
soil, sprinkle the seeds. Oh, you just grow it in here? Like that's, so this retails for $6.
Yeah,
in the bag.
well, according to their shop, they're sending
Their prices were $6. This
That's
is very strange.
So cute,
What a weird. This would be a good white elephant gift.
Yeah, I think so.
Your turn.
Okay, ugh. I should just take it out of this bag. What if
Why?
there was something
Freak you
alive
out?
in here?
It'd be dead by now.
Okay, I'm pulling something out. Wow.
Oh my word.
It's a dog toy. We'll give it to Diamond.
This is like the trend. It looks like a poop. This is like the trend that went around where it was like people traded boxes of mystery.
Yeah.
You know, they made ones for other people and then they sent them to each other.
Yeah.
And one always got the short end of the stick. That's this.
I feel like every time you looked on eBay, this is gonna be like so annoying for people to hear. Diamond, do you want this toy? Here, go get it.
Oh, I grabbed 2.
Wow.
Oh my word, they're broken.
That doesn't mean that the CDs don't work.
Christmas music.
Christmas.
I actually will take these because I put on, I guess
some of these I've never heard of before.
This one I have, all of these.
The Cherry Tree Carol.
Gloria Estefan is on this one.
Aretha Franklin is on mine.
Cyndi
and
Lauper.
Gladys Knight.
These both retail for $1 at their store. And that one's broken.
All of them are like, it's literally like a huge eclectic thrift shop. It's like a trendy thrift shop.
I thought it was really cool there.
It's really cool. We went last night. I think I grabbed 2.
Oh, so she got...
Okay, so I got a patch. Here's a patch.
And baseball cards. Tell us if these are worth anything. Are these
no,
people
they're
still
gonna be
playing?
like, no, it's not, and then they're gonna be like, can you just send it to me? I collect them.
Well, then that would be a red flag for me to look at.
Patches are so in, but how is this a used patch? Like, how would I put this on? Look, a sweepstake card.
No, you iron it. It still has the sticky stuff that adheres.
Can you guys see this?
When you iron patches, this melts and then it sticks to your
So
clothes.
are you gonna do it?
No. I don't. I'm over that phase of life.
That's like, oh, a vinyl, a Dottie West. I've never heard of that.
This
Let's
is the
Google
most
her.
random like thing ever.
It's like the shop though. The shop is just random, you know? Okay, I'm gonna look up Dottie West.
Dottie West, vocals accompanied by the Jordanaires. I've heard of the Jordanaires. This is only one
That's
song.
Dottie West.
This is Careless Hands.
That's it?
Yeah, this is just
I have
one.
a record player, so I'll be keeping this.
Oh, you get to go.
Okay.
Can I just keep going?
No, I get to go. What if there was something like wet in here? Okay, I got something. Close your eyes. Oh my.
Is it cute?
There you go.
Jordan will love this.
He will not. It's a little tiny military figure.
Oh,
Go click on it.
Salute.
So
Wait,
you
I
can.
think there's like a certain way you salute.
Oh.
My gosh.
Just fix it. I'm not editing this video. Can they see it? Can they see it?
It's a small army man, but
He's missing an arm. Bo, you have to be able to
lost
like.
it in war.
Or did it really
And
just
he
fall
was
off?
for sure using a gun at some point. The gun. Yes, it fell off. I was trying to make it better.
It did fall off. You can't tell. They have to be able to see these things.
Look at this bell.
Wow, and it's got a little owl on it. They'll love that.
Okay, fun fact. And I'm not like this person, so it's only my husband. When I got pregnant with Thea, Naya gave me a gift, and it was a bell wrapped up, like it was a gift of a bell, because he wanted to be able to like me to have him at my beck and call or whatever. And it's the most annoying bell sound ever, so I never would use it, and I'd be like, it's fine, I'll just get it myself. And then I downloaded the app of bell sounds, and so then I'd always click that, and he's like, that's not my bell. I'm gonna tell him the next time I get pregnant, can I use this one?
I'm an old Montessori teacher.
I have all of them.
So I made bell work for my son when I was probably still pregnant, because you know very little when you're pregnant. Even when you're a teacher, you do it all day long. You get one of your own that never goes home ever, and then you're like, why would I think bell work?
And then you hear the bells all day, every day.
And I'd be like,
some of her bells were like really old antique bells.
Loud.
With the longest thin like thing that could just jam down your throat.
did stuff like that though.
I've not taken it back out. The last time I took it out for her, she was like 7 months
Why
old.
can't you get back out now?
So I just hate the sound of bells.
Oh,
That one's actually very.
Put this in our bell work.
Okay, I'll put it in.
Okay, next.
There's another CD in there. I felt it.
I'm staying clear of that CD. More cards.
Don't look.
I have to collect all the cards.
Baseball cards.
More. Wait. Bo, there's also other things. Put it down. Put it down. Okay, not only are there baseball cards, but there's some kind of Pokemon cards.
That's not Pokemon.
That's Pokemon.
No, that's not Pokemon.
What is it?
Anyone with a brain would know that's not Pokemon. They don't.
Anyone with a brain would think this is a Pokemon.
This one's activate only when opponent's monster declares an attack. Destroy the attacking monster.
What
This
is
part of
this?
a game. Is it
It's
like
Yu-Gi-Oh
that?
cards.
How do you know?
It says right here in the corner, Yu-Gi-Oh
Yeah, no,
cards.
that's what I picked out.
I'll give these to Lennon. He likes Yu-Gi-Oh.
Sonatas, waltz, and D flat. Flight of the Bumblebee. I know that one.
Give this to Naya. He'll love it. Can you
Okay.
hold it up so everyone can see it?
Oh, something is falling out of it. Gross.
Classic.
It's shards
This
of
is like if
plastic.
the Goodwill just went around their store. There's one more.
And said,
there's
this
two
won't
more
sell,
things
this
in
won't
here.
sell, this won't sell.
There's
Just grab
two
both
more
of them.
things in here.
Oh.
There's one solitary green army man.
Oh,
One.
and Cleopatra.
Wow. How do you know that's Cleopatra?
I don't.
All right,
Doesn't
so
it
we
kinda
also
look like
bought a
Cleopatra?
kid's bag. So, in all honesty, we've already seen the items in the kid's bag, but we are going to show you
In
guys.
all honesty, they are also crap, but might not be as crappy as these.
To be fair, these are from two different Imaginariums.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So this is from...
This one
A
is
different
worth
shop.
more than that one.
Yeah, okay, so all together, show them all what we
This
got.
is what you get for $10, and this is probably the winning item.
Yeah, look at all this stuff.
All
That's
this
it.
crap.
That's literally all we got. Oh, don't forget this dog toy, but update.
Oh, that is a good one.
Update, our dog doesn't like it. We'll show you later.
All right, kids' toys.
Okay.
This one's smaller bag, but
Okay.
$3.
Ready?
I was trying to
You
not
can
make
pull
that
out.
sound.
Okay. Maybe it'll be like half ASMR video. Okay.
Wow.
Item number 1. Okay, so this Imaginarium that I went to was like, to be honest, way more my style. It was like really old toys. Like there were the original Fisher Price toys there.
Yeah,
there was
do
literally that was at the other one though. I was showing you what was at the other one.
Snotty to me.
The first Imaginarium I went to, they didn't have like a lot of broken toys. All of their stuff was like pretty nice. They had like furniture. They had like amazing clothes, like thrifty, like old-fashioned clothes and toys.
Okay, do you want to know what this thing says?
What?
It says, I want to read it to you.
I'm listening. I'm a visual person.
This is a collector's piece. We do not recommend this for children. You collect these?
Oh.
I'm going to give you the thing. It's called Jen U. Wine Boyd.
Okay.
But spelled Gen.
I can read it off
I'm
of.
telling you
Oh.
that you are literally being the snottiest person in this video. It's not even funny.
I'm not. Don't say that.
You are.
No, I'm not. Take it back right now. Take it back, or I'm pushing you out of the frame. Take it back.
Ow!
I didn't even touch you.
I don't want to take
They're
it
not
back.
worth
They
a
can't
lot
even
of money.
see it here. There you guys go.
I thought you were. This one's worth $17.
That's the one that we got.
Yes.
Wow. And
But
his ears are moldable.
He looks really dirty compared to this
No,
one.
he doesn't.
He does kind of. Hey.
I thought maybe we don't want them to be together.
Okay, next. Oh my goodness! So this is how we found out it works.
It kind of looks suggestive when you put it like that.
Hi guys.
Like, why?
I'm dancing.
I don't like it. We're gonna get demonetized.
Wait, why?
It just looks like people leg.
It is his people leg.
Wow.
Hi guys.
At least this one's not broken.
Okay, so this one came in a McDonald's
Oh yeah.
Happy Meal.
We shouldn't have taken off. It probably was collector.
Oh no.
Like people do
Should we
collect that
look
stuff.
that up?
Yeah. Let's look here.
What's the
It
character?
It was in 1999.
Oh no. Okay, I don't think that.
That's all the information I have. MFG for McDonald's
They
Corporation.
were the Mystic Knights. They're not worth anything. Look, set of 8.
Oh.
No way.
How did you know? What
I
did you
just
put
looked.
in? How did you
Look,
know what
it's
to
right
look
there.
up? Yeah, but how did you know what to do? That
I
was so
said-
fast.
I'm an expert.
What did
Googler.
you Google?
Night, McDonald's Happy Meal toys.
She was like, they're the Mystic
1999.
Knights. They were not worth it. That was so fast.
Okay, so you guys remember those like lighter toys? Do you guys remember that?
I don't.
When you like have this thing in the back and then you like do it really fast and it's supposed to light up. That's what this guy's supposed to do, but I can't get him to do it.
Some of these look old and then some of these don't.
This guy was lots of baseball
He was
cards.
born in 1967. Christopher
look it up.
William. Okay, Chris Nubholes.
Okay.
Do you guys know these people?
They're all from...
Okay, this guy, look up him. I know that name. Jose Alvarez.
Okay, I think he's actually still playing for
He's-
them.
Definitely not still playing for them.
You don't think so? Who does he play for?
1990.
The Braves. Remember how much Jordan loved the Braves? That's probably how we know this.
He didn't like the Braves. He
He
liked the
loves-
Padres or whatever.
No, he was obsessed with the Braves. Are you crazy? We're gonna call Mom right
I
now.
thought you were going to say we were going to call Jordan. That's what I thought you were going to say.
No.
That was kind of depressing. Now the rest of the toys are tainted. She ruined it.
Okay, keep going. keep
Are
going.
you looking up Jose Alvarez?
Yes. Worth $5.
Wow, look at this turtle.
It's worth $5.
This turtle came in.
These are not worth anything.
Oh, this came from Runza. This is probably worth something. Look up Runza
Okay, Run's a Happy Meal toy.
2000. Who's hiding in the jungle?
Who
Look, guys.
Who would collect these? I mean, I'm not like hating on you because we have our fair share.
I
of
collected
weird-
rocks.
No, you collected chickens,
Oh yeah.
and I collected
Nutcrackers.
Nutcracker, so
Look.
I'm not hating on you. Doesn't look like Runza Happy Meal toys are a thing that people collect.
I was like, because you know they don't do Happy Meal toys anymore. Runza only does free treat, so it's a coupon on your thing.
They should be collecting them. Guys, do these look at all like something?
See, you took this out of the package too, and that could have been worth money. You're being so not smart about these collector's items.
They were for Jordan.
Yeah, but one of
And
them.
then the last one is the most magical one. It comes in this little clear box.
You know,
and
I
it's
would have
some
been
kind of
obsessed
flowers.
with that when
I
I was
know,
a kid.
me too. They were just shaking it.
So was Aiden. They both were not.
But they didn't break it. That part is supposed to be.
You know what it
in there.
reminds me of? The Beauty and the Beast rose.
Let's look it up. Country mouse. Country mouse. What kind of flower is that? Flower in a box.
Yeah, what would we do without Google nowadays?
What did people do?
That's not mine. Mine's sleeping.
If that's mine, I'll be really upset. Because it's only been 52 minutes.
The suspense. And he's gonna wake up Aiden.
Anyway, so that's it. Do you think it's worth it or no?
I know you want to go get up there, but was that worth anything? Was that
No,
box?
it wasn't.
No, it's not worth it. Even not worth $3.
I think
If
it's
you have
like
a kid,
fun
like I
surprise.
think Brooklyn's age would love something like
Yeah.
this. Like, what's in your?
I think
Because
I
they
wanna
all are
try
about
the
LOL
themed
dolls.
Ones. Like do a themed one
Okay,
of
well-
like Harry Potter or something. I would love that.
Okay.
Is that
That's all. Like this video, subscribe down below, and let us know if you want us to do another mystery bag and like more of a themed one. But Julie had to go get her kit. All right,
What
bye guys.
are you